Hey there everyone. Welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Fluvid. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can live stream your Roblox gameplay using Fluvid. You can also live stream any game on your PC or any other platform. I'm just taking Roblox as an example. So let's get started. I just click on the Fluvid icon. Now you can either record your gameplay and then post the recording, or you can live stream your game and let your viewers watch you play the game live. So I'm just going to show you how to live stream, and that is basically the same thing. It's just that this would be a little bit different in terms of how to share the video. Now, number one is you can either select screen plus cam, which would allow you to record your webcam and your screen. So I'm just taking screen only as an option. My microphone is turned on already. And under advanced options, you need to select system sound on. The system sound will allow you to record the internal sound of your PC or your game. So the sound that is coming in the game, that will also be recorded. So now, if you go down a bit, you will see there's a live streaming URL. In this case, it's fluvid.com/video/live/test1. But if you want to have a customized link, you can go to your Fluvid dashboard before you live stream and go to Go Live settings and make a customized URL. I have already shared a video on how to do that under Fluvid tutorials, so you can have a look at that. Now, let's click on Go Live. Once you have decided which game you are going to play, you can click on the play button of the game, and in this case, you will see that I am already live streaming. So right now I am live. Now, this is the game that I am taking as an example. As you can see, I have started playing the game. Now, if I were to increase the volume of the game, I will also be able to record the audio of the game. Now, what I'm just going to do as of now, I'll just minimize this game and I'm going to go to the live streaming link that was already made just to show you how it would appear to the viewers. Now, this is how the screen would look like. I'm just going to mute it a bit. So, as you can see, the game right now, it's buffering a little bit. That's basically due to my internet connection. But the game is being live streamed right now. So this is where I am right now. And I'm seeing the same thing on the live stream. So I'm just going to stop sharing here. So I hope this was quite helpful for you to understand. And further, if you have any questions related to Fluvid, write to us at hello@fluvid.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel Fluvid. Thank you and have a great day.